Edit your interactive activity in Mexty. Once your interactive activity is created, you can always go back and modify it. Let's see how to edit your interactive activity in Mexty. Step 1. Open your activity. Start by going to My Workspace. Click on Interactive Activities to see all the activities you've created. Find the one you want to update and click Edit. Step 2. Modify the activity. Inside the editor, you'll find the AI chat panel on the left side of the screen. To change any part of the activity, simply write a prompt describing what you want to modify. For example, you can edit questions or instructions of the activity, update the content to match your topic, add sound effects or audio elements, change visuals or layout, and much more. Remember that AI is here to assist you, but it doesn't read your mind. Sometimes it may take a few prompts to get the exact result you want. The key is to give clear and specific instructions in the chat. Step 3. For more advanced users, there is also an Edit Code button. This allows you to directly modify the underlying structure of the interactive activity. However, this option is intended for more experienced users. Step 4. Access previous versions. In the top menu, you'll find the Versions button. Here you can see all the previous versions of your activity. If you want to restore an earlier version, simply click on it and select the version you want to use. Step 5. Test your activity. After making your changes, test the activity to make sure everything works as expected. This allows you to check interactions, instructions, and the overall experience before sharing it or adding it to a course.